It's not even Thanksgiving, and I'm already in the mood for Christmas, so this week I start busting out the decorations. On Saturday, I finally start mudding the new garage woodshop. The first step is taping all the factory joints, and I always like to start with the ceiling. Next, I mud the butt joints. Then comes the corner tape. On Sunday, I'm continuing with the garage drywall taping. My goal for today was to finish taping, which I was mostly able to knock out. On Monday, I'm still mudding in the garage, but no longer taping. With all the joints taped, I can start applying the second and third coats of mud in preparation for painting. That's a wrap for week 213. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.